Good day to all friends, students. Welcome to YouTube channel Biology with Pukhraj Vaishnav. Friends, today I am discussing about the supplementary exam for the student of class 9th and class 11 on the basis of project work. As per CBSE, due to COVID-19, class 9th and class 11th student got an extra opportunity to appear in a project work for obtaining marks, and for this purpose KVS also suggested the project work for the supplementary exams. So in this video lecture I also suggest some topic of science and biology for the class 11 for the project work in the case of supplementary exam of class 9th and 11th. So let's start today's topic. Conduct of supplementary exam for the student of 9th and 11th on the basis of project work. CBSE notification number 13/5/2020 that states that all failed students of class 9th and 11th be provided an opportunity in all subjects where students have failed. It also reiterated that this exemption is to be extended to all students even if they have been given this opportunity earlier to the notification also. So this is an extra opportunity for the class 9th and 11th to appear in the supplementary exam. Due to the COVID-19 situation, they got an extra opportunity to pass the supplementary exam. So in this regarding, KVS also suggested the project work for the case of supplementary exam of class 11 and 9. With reference to subject stated above, KVS has issued guideline. The first point is all the Kendriya Vidyalaya will provide an opportunity to all failed students of class 9 and 11 for the subject where students have failed. The promotion of student of class 9th and 11th of Kendriya Vidyalaya to the next higher class will be done on the basis of what? On the basis of project work submitted by students in the subject in which the students were unable to score the minimum passing marks. And the main thing is, for this, the teacher may be asked to assign outcome-based good project work to all those students of class 9th and 11th. The project must be on the basis of outcome basis. There is a outcome questioning is also involved in the project. Then the fourth point is what? The topic should be from the curriculum of the respective classes and should have an element of inquiry, exploration, reasoning. Topic must be from the syllabus of the class 9th and 11th. The project work should aim at the assessing the understanding the student of the concept of taught to them. Student may be provided with the about week time and asked to submit their project work online. The student must be right. This project is done by me independently at the last of the project. Okay, and the teachers award the mark accordingly. So these are the point. Now next content is it will also be irrespective of whether the examination have been completed and the exam result have been released or their exam have not been completed. So it is irrespective of the exam, and all students got an extra opportunity of the supplementary exam due to COVID-19. Okay, and the main thing is the project to be allowed individually. It means each student allotted different project. The project should be handwritten, okay, between the 800 to 1000 words, The project documentation should contain cover page, index, content, visual, pictorial maps, uh, and diagrammatically graphical representation is there, conclusion is there. The project work is to be expressed in own language and should not be copied directly. Okay, and the main thing is the marks. The project mark in case of class 9 is 80 mark. In case of 11 it may be 70 or 80 as per the practical subject and then non-practical subject. Timeline. So what is the timeline of this project? Platform for submission, email, WhatsApp, these are the platform of Google Classroom. Date of assigning the project in 9th of July. उसको अभी भी दे सकते हैं क्योंकि प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट जो करना है, डेट ऑफ सबमिशन वो 16 जुलाई तक है. ओके, 16 जुलाई तक है तो अभी भी दिया जा सकता है. इवेल्यूशन ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट बाय कंसर्न सब्जेक्ट टीचर इसको इवेल्यूट कब करेगा? 17 ऑफ जुलाई को. रिजल्ट डिक्लेरेशन जो होगा वो 20 जुलाई को रहेगा. सो दिस इज अबाउट द KVS सर्कुलर. नाउ how can mark allotted by teacher? The mark allotted by these rubrics, the rubrics is, the first rubrics is quality and originality of the content, 20 marks. Visual presentation of the fact like description, content, picture, map, 20 or 30, 20 in case of the 11th and 30 in case of the 9. Overall presentation 20 marks, and Viva voice on the basis of the project is 10 marks. So this is 70 marks for the class 11 practical subject and 80 marks for class 11 non-practical subject and class 9. Okay, now I suggest some topics for class 9 science and 11 biology for the student, by which they can easily prepare their project. Okay, so let's start. The first we have to cover these 5 points in our project. That is, first, inquiry. What do you mean by inquiry? Inquiry based project work involve a group of students investing a worthy questions. Okay, exploration is the act of searching for the purpose of discovery of information and resources. Reasoning, third point, is what? The reasoning, the process of forming conclusion, judgment, or interference from the fact of premises, the reason, argument, proof, etc. And the fourth point is what? Data collection. Data collection is the process of gathering and measuring information. Interpretation, the fifth point, refer to the task of drawing interference, that is means conclusion. Okay, now some suggested topic of the class 9 science students. So be aware about this topic. The first topic is what? The topic, a tour of the cell, that is from fundamental unit of life. Okay, so a tour of the cell from prokaryote cell to eukaryote. So also it is just description of the cell, whether it is prokaryote and eukaryote. So what are the learning outcomes, or you can say learning objectives? The enable the student to recognize the structure and location of organization, plant cell and animal cell, explain the role of cell organelle based upon the function, correlate the structure and function of some organelle. So you teacher also assigned some project with regarding of the project work. So this is the some worksheet. Complete the flow chart, adding term, name, function, as and where required. Given below are the diagram representing plant cell and animal cell. Label any 5 organelle common in the plant cell and animal. So this is the worksheet regarding the project. Okay, suppose this is the endoplasmic reticulum, has ribosome attached to the membrane. So has you should fill all the blanks. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Ribosome is there, it means it is RER. Ribosome is not there, it means it is SER. So fill the blanks by the student as per the फ्लो चार्ट ऑफ द सेल ऑर्गेनली. जैसे याद देखा पैकेजिंग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. सो पैकेजिंग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट कौन करता है? गोल्जी बॉडी. सो दिस इज ऑल द filling the blanks should be filled by the student while working on the project. So 10 marks also can be assigned for this worksheet also. Okay, so this is all about that one view and one suggestion of the project. Now the second this is the second worksheet for the project. Given below are the diagram representing plant cell and an animal cell. Label any 5 organelle common in plant cell and animal cell. Okay, so you just draw again and label only any 5 organelle. This is the second topic for the class 9. Okay, what's the second topic? Topic is what? Effect of hypotonic and hypertonic solution. It means based on osmosis. Okay, so what are the learning objective, students? The first is to enable the student to understand the process of osmosis, relating the process to various event activity that occur day to day life, correlate the change in shape in certain plant part with the process, complete compare the change in the shape with the direction of movement of water molecule. So this is the worksheet of there is an experiment. One beaker has water to which peeled piece of carrot have been added. In the second beaker, the saturated sugar and salt solution has been put in which peeled piece of carrot have been added. Now these are the questions. What are the difference in the physical state of the carrot as observed in two beaker? Obviously, in first beaker where the carrot are peeled, osmosis occur in that beaker, and when where the peeled sugar and salt are added, osmosis is more due to the hypertonic solution. When sugar and salt are added in the solution, what happens? The solution becomes hypertonic, and it causes what? Exosmosis. Okay, causes exhaustion. So these are the questions. Then next is the why. Why is the above process occurred due to osmosis? Name the type of solution in A and B. In A there is a hypotonic, and in B there is a hypertonic. Name the one process in our daily life which work on the same principle. The one process is when you put the resins in water. What happened? The resins become swell. So this is the daily life example. Okay, now the third topic of the class 9 science project, to understand the transmission of electric and chemical masses in human body, that it is about of the what neuron, and the objective are to enable the student to identify the diagram of neuron, recognize the different part of nerve cell. Now worksheet, this is the worksheet for this project. The diagram is given and the question is there. The first is complete the diagram by drawing the missing part. Second, identify the part 1 to 3. Obviously the one is cell body, 2 is nucleus, 3 is what? 3 is a nerve ending. So these are the worksheet. What is the term given to gap between the nerve cell? Obviously it is called synapse. Name the part of the neuron from which the nerve impulse is transmitted to second neuron. So that part is called synapse. Okay, that is the chemical impulse. So this is all about the third project. Now we are talking about the fourth project, to understand various plant tissue. Okay, and objective are to help the student to identify the tissue based on their location and function, learn the function of various tissue, recognize the part of an organism where a particular tissue is present. So now the worksheet of this is the worksheet. Name of the tissue is there: parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, apical meristem, lateral meristem, intercalary meristem. Okay, so these are the tissue, and these are the location and function. You have to match all the name of the tissue, location and function. Suppose parenchyma, so parenchyma is what? पेरेन्काइमा का लोकेशन क्या रहेगा? लीव्स एंड पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट दैट स्टोर फूड. ओके, जैसे मैच कर रखा है. एंड फंक्शन स्टोर वाटर एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स. इसी तरीके से आपको इसको मैच करके मैच द फॉलोइंग टेबल बना के इसका वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना. नाउ द प्रोजेक्ट 5, टू अंडरस्टैंड प्लांट डाइवर्सिटी एंड द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, एंड द ऑब्जेक्टिव इज व्हाट? Learn the characteristic feature of the various group of living organism, identify group based on the common character, recognize the organism that belongs to a particular group based on the common character. So that is based on common character. This is the worksheet about the complete plant kingdom. This worksheet consists what? A, B, C, D and E column is there. So you have to fill all the about the Monera. Monera is prokaryotic cell, and unicellular. So you write the characteristic of Monera, Protista, Plantae, Animalia, and about all the kingdom. And you can also fill the characteristic on the basis of algae. Algae से कौन बिलोंग करता है, कौन कौन से करेक्टर बिलोंग करते हैं, ब्रायोफाइट से कौन से करेक्टर बिलोंग करते हैं, टेटोफाइट से, जिम्नोस्पर्म से, एंजियोस्पर्म से. सो इस तरीके से वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट किया जा सकता है. नाउ अबाउट द नेक्स्ट 6th नंबर, टू स्टडी द एनिमल किंगडम. एनिमल किंगडम learning outcomes are: recognize the various group in animal kingdom based on their specific feature, learn the name of the organism associated with the various group of animal kingdom, relate certain identifying feature to the name of the phyla, group and classes. Okay, so now this is the worksheet. This is a puzzle is given in this worksheet, and across statement is there and down statement is there. You have to fill all the horizontal and vertical fill-ups as per the across and down points. So this is the worksheet for the fifth number project. Okay friends, so you have to note down this. Now the next is seventh, to study common method of transmission of disease and the learning outcome, to help the student to name and explain the factor that lead to disease, differentiate between factor that causes the disease and those that help in the spread of disease, identify the symptoms and the role of doctor. Okay, so this is the worksheet for the communicable disease. A chart is given, a diagram is given, and you have to answer all the questions as per the diagram. Name one disease spread by the mode 1. So what is mode 1? Direct contact. So डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट का मीनिंग क्या हो गया, अभी आप लिख सकते हो जैसे कोरोना डिजीज, तो कोरोना डिजीज डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट से फैल सकता है, वायरल डिजीज. ओके, सेकंड, हाउ कैन यू प्रोटेक्ट योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम द डिजीज, ना, तो इसमें जैसे कोरोना का जो प्रिवेंशन है, आपको कुछ मीटर की कुछ डिस्टेंस रखना है ना, आपको मास्क पहनना है, तो इस तरीके से इसके आपके सारे आंसर आप दे सकते हो. ओके, सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट 8 टू स्टडी द बायोजियोकेमिकल साइकिल. ओके, now the objective learning is what, to enable the student to understand the role of plant in biogeochemical cycle, what are the processes involved in biogeochemical cycle. This is the worksheet of this project. So students, this fill in the blank is their role in water cycle. Water vapor produced by, so water vapor produced by the water resources. Okay, role of oxygen cycle, oxygen returned to the atmosphere by the process of what, photosynthesis, because we know that in photosynthesis oxygen is a byproduct. So you can fill in the blanks, for this worksheet. Now for the next project number 9, to study the mariculture, multiple farming, multiple cropping, composite fish farming, poultry, livestock farming. And the learning outcome is what, to learn various terminology, relationship between picture and relevant term, recognize the picture related to various source, food, step and food products. And this is the worksheet given below. 5 picture is there. You have to fill all the information as per the diagram. So this is the diagram. Growing crop on the same land. Growing crop on the same land. This is the first crop, this is the second, this is the third. So it is what, it is intercropping. Okay, it is animal husbandry, it is poultry farming, it is mariculture, it is pisciculture. So you have to fill all the information as per the diagram. Okay, now for class 11th biology, previously we are discussing about the class 9 science project. Now we are discussing the class 11th biology project. This is the first topic, to study about the genetic material, DNA. As you know friends, DNA is the genetic material and there are various chemical composition is there. This is the as per the 11th syllabus. Now the learning outcome is what, identify the step involved in the important food production plant, understand the importance of various steps in different stages of agriculture, realize the food production depend on number of factors. So this is all as per the productivity in plant, because DNA is responsible for what, DNA is responsible for gene expression. Okay, now so this is the worksheet, and as per the worksheet you have to identify the various bond. The bond present between nitrogen base is a hydrogen bond. The nitrogen base bonded with sugar by the glycosidic bond, and this is phosphodiester bond. So you have to write all the bond definition of all bond and their position. Now this is the second example of the project for class 11 biology friends, to study nitrogen fixation, N2 fixation cycle and N2 fixation by Lagrange. So what are the learning outcomes? The first is to enable the student identify the step in N2 cycle, understand the importance of various step of N2 cycle. Okay, so this is the complete N2 cycle, and you have to write the definition of denitrification, ammonification, infection thread, all about definition by the help of this diagram. So this is the worksheet. So friends, these are the some suggestions, these are the some topic for the project work for the supplementary exam of class 9th and 11th biology. So friends, if you like my video lecture, so please like the video, suggest to your friends, and subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon for the future notification. So good day to all, good day.